In this video, I'll show you how to get a YouTube play button, also known as a creator award, and how to apply for it. Let's get right into it. The link to the official YouTube Creator Award article will be in the description. The YouTube play button is a creator award given when your channel reaches certain subscriber milestones. For example, silver for 100,000 subscribers, gold for 1 million subscribers, diamond for 10 million subscribers, red diamond for 100 million subscribers. Alright, so here's what you need to do. First, click on Get a YouTube Creator Award, then confirm the account associated with your YouTube channel and click Continue. Next, paste your channel URL or channel ID and click Continue. As you can see, if you have over 100,000 subscribers, you'll be eligible for an award. In my case, it's the Silver Play button. What you need to do now is copy the redemption code and click on Redeem My Award. You'll be redirected to the Creator Awards page. Here, paste the redemption code you just copied and click Redeem Award. In my case, I've already used my code, which is why it says this code has already been used to order an award. But the first time you do it, you'll be asked to fill out a form with your personal details, including where you want the play button to be shipped. That's it. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, feel free to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.